हाय दोस्तों, फिर से आप लोग का स्वागत है राकेश केवी के चैनल में। आप लोग को इस चैनल में मिलेगा सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के बारे में, उनकी जीवनी, हिज बायोग्राफी। और बायोग्राफी में मैंने शॉर्ट में लिखा है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसको सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, जितना जितना हो इसको शेयर करें। कमेंट करें कि मेरी हैंडराइटिंग कैसी है, मैंने कैसे बोला है। शायद हो सके मेरा अच्छा ना हो, लेकिन फिर भी कमेंट करिएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, he is remembered as a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He had actively contributed to the Indian freedom movement. Sardar Patel was one of the most eminent and prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. He has immense contribution of bringing independence to our early life and education. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Law of Patel Patidar community in Nadiad village in Gujarat. His full name is Vallabhbhai Javer Bhai Patel and popularly known as Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel's father Javer Bhai Patel served in army of Queen of Jhansi and mother Ladla Bai was inclined towards spiritually. Patel was a very brave character since childhood. There had been an instance when he treated a painful boil without any hesitation using a hot iron rod. At the age of 22, when everyone completes their graduation, Sardar Patel completed his matriculation, and due to this, everyone thought that he would be doing ordinary jobs. After completing his matriculation, Sardar Patel continued his studies and became a law graduate and later traveled to England to become a barrister. After returning to India, he continued practicing law in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Contribution towards India's independence movement. A meeting with M.K. Gandhi in October 1917 brought him closer to the Indian independence movement. He joined Indian National Congress and his initial movements started with Satyagrah in Gujarat against British atrocities. Later, he actively participated and volunteered the Quiet India movement in 1942. Closely working with Gandhiji, Patel had a very strong contribution in United people of India during India freedom movements. During this time, he was jailed many times. The feeling of patriotisms, and urged to accept out British from Indian territory became his first and only objective. Sardar Patel, Iron Man of India. Sardar, his life has been an inspiring and motivating one. Firstly, he achieved his performance goals with very little support from others, and thereafter playing a major decisive role in bringing the people of India together to fight for a nation's independence. His belief in principle of unity and diversity and stand united for the common cause of India's independence made him the Iron Man of India due to his leadership qualities and ability to connect to masses. He has been given the title of Sardar Patel, meaning Leader Patel. What is the meaning? Leader Patel. Life after India's independence. After independence, he played a prominent role in the integration of India. He pressed the rules of princely states to be united and the part of India, one nation, by traveling to far-flung areas and border areas. Initially, after independence, he was appointed a first Home Minister of India and simultaneously simultaneously the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Force. Conclusion: Sardar Patel's contribution to the Indian freedom struggle has been remarkable and incomparable. He was an immense source of inspiration for the youth of nation, not only during the freedom movement but also in the current day. He is being termed as the self-made man in true sense. His ideologies of integrations have led the foundation of unity. He was conferred as the Bharat Ratna Award posthumously in 1990. इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करिए। मैं अगले वीडियो में मतलब आप लोग को हर दिन एक वीडियो भेजता रहूँगा। अगले दिन मैं आपको हैंड राइटिंग के टिप्स दूंगा कि हैंड राइटिंग कैसे सुधारें और महात्मा गांधी के बारे में भी बताऊंगा। तो अभी से मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए कि आपको जब भी मैं भेजूं तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए कि जब भी मैं भेजूं तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन बेल बजा दीजिए कि आप सारे नोटिफिकेशंस ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस यू हैव गॉट। धन्यवाद।